Did you know that sometimes losing everything can be the best thing that ever happens to you? Iris found this out the hard way when her identity was stolen. At first, she panicked. Her credit was destroyed, her bank accounts frozen, and she faced months of paperwork hell. But something unexpected happened during this forced pause from her normal life. She started questioning everything. Why was she working 80-hour weeks at a job she hated? Why did she live in an expensive apartment she couldn't afford just to impress people? She realized she'd been ordering salads when she craved burgers, wearing beige when she loved bright colors, and choosing safe career moves over her dream of becoming an artist. For years, she'd been performing a version of herself designed to make others happy. The identity thief had stolen her fake life, but gave her permission to build a real one. Iris quit her corporate job, moved to a cozy studio, and started painting again. She says losing her stolen identity was the wake-up call that helped her find herself.